Now to a look ahead to a local case that's drawn national and international attention. Sentencing will take place tomorrow for 19-year-old Mackenzie Shirilla. Last week, the Strongsville teen was found guilty of intentionally crashing her car in order to kill her passengers, her boyfriend, 20-year-old Dominic Russo, and 19-year-old Davion Flanagan. On Thursday, Cuyahoga-County Judge Nancy Russo found Shirilla guilty of 4 counts of murder, 4 counts of felony assault, and 2 counts of aggravated vehicular homicide. Our crime and justice correspondent Lydia Spara has the latest.
It was this video recorded from a building in Strongsville that helped a judge find Mackenzie Shirilla guilty of murder. It was taped on July 31st, 2022. The driver, Shirilla, in the passenger seat, her boyfriend, 20-year-old Dominic Russo, and 19-year-old Davion Flanagan in the back. She went from 35 miles an hour to 100 miles an hour and crashed right into a brick building in the industrial park.
Her actions were controlled, methodical, deliberate, intentional, and purposeful. This was not reckless driving. This was murder.
Judge Nancy Russo did not mince words when finding Shirilla
guilty of murder.
Attorney Eric Smith worked on both sides, defense and prosecution in Cuyahoga County for decades, and he says Judge Russo is tough, but
when it comes to justice being fair, these are people who genuinely have devoted their lives to making sure that the process is as fair as possible.
Shirilla was only 17 on that fateful night, and that will affect her sentencing.
The death penalty is not available for bound-over case.
Ohio Revised Code says if the offender was under 18 years of age at the time of the offense, the court shall impose an indefinite prison term of 30 years to life. The case has gained national attention. Smith believes there's more to the case than the trio's age.
It's because we have young people involved here, and there is substance abuse involved here. And it's a curious coincidence that Ohio is on the precipice of deciding whether legalized recreational use of marijuana.
Shirilla posted this on Russo's obit page. God, you are the last person to deserve this. You had such a perfect life ahead of you. I wish I told you all this more. Please wait for me. Judge Russo was not buying what Shirilla was posting. Shirilla had a toxic relationship with Dominic Russo and wanted him dead. Davion, the judge says, was an unfortunate passenger.
She had a mission, and she executed it with precision.
Now, the families of Russo and Flanagan are allowed to make an impact statement tomorrow. That's when you appeal to the judge regarding a harsh or lenient sentence. However, Russo's father has already stated, I don't want the rest of her life, that is, to be ruined too. It isn't going to make me feel any better. That's end quote. And as you can imagine, Lena, tomorrow for all the families, all 3 families, a very emotional day.
Absolutely. And Lydia, we will be in court tomorrow and we'll have the latest tomorrow.
Sure.
Thanks so much.